Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about range names in Excel. There are various ways by which you can create a named range in Excel, and in this video we'll discuss all of them. So let us start. The first way by which you can create a named range is by using the name box. The name box is at the top of first column in Excel sheet, as you can see here in this video. It's a very easy way. You just have to select a cell or a name or range of cells, then go to the name box, enter the name for the range, click enter. In this example, I have named cell F4 as east and cell F5 as west. Then you can see I use the average formula to calculate the average of east and west, and the answer is 7.5. Now we will take another example. Suppose our data is located at different non-contiguous locations in an Excel sheet, as we have in this example. Our data is located at three different locations, and we want to name all these data sets as one range. How can we do this? It is very much easy. You just have to select all the data sets using the control key, go to the name box column, enter the name of for the range, click enter, and you are done. As you can see, I have named the three data sets as non-contig, and I calculate the average of these three data sets using the average function, and I use equal to average bracket start non-contig bracket close enter, and I get the average of these data sets. One more way to create a named range is by using the create from selection option. You just have to go to the formulas tab, and it is there, as I have highlighted it here. Here I have data related to the March sales for each US state, and the challenge before me is to assign the sale state symbol as name range for each cell. For example, for cell B6, I want to assign the name AL. Similarly, for cell B7, I want to assign the name AK. Similarly, for cell B8, I want to assign the name AZ, and so on and so forth. Going by the traditional method of assigning name ranges, this would be a tedious and time consuming process. What you have to do is to select your data set, go to the formulas tab, click on create from selection, and check the left column here in the create names from selection, and you're done. You can now see through name manager that the state symbol has been assigned as a range name for each of these sales figures. As you can see here, I can now use the name of these cells, range names in formulas, and it will make my work very much easy. I don't have to go to the particular cell. I just have to use its name, put it in put the name in the formula, and I am done. It will make my work very much easy. You can also create a range name by using the define name option in the formulas tab. What you have to do is to click on the formulas tab, click on the define name option, and the new name dialog box appears. Now you can input the name range name in the name box. You can also uh, set the scope for this range. You can set it for the entire workbook, or you can set the scope for this range for the worksheet only. Remember that whenever you create a range name, don't use space. If you use space, it won't work. So you can use underscore in place of space. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share the video and subscribe the YouTube channel, The Wular Academy, and please leave your feedback in the comment section. Your feedback helps us improve and keep making better videos for you.